probably wouldn't believe this, but this looks like a river. Many people would think that it's a river, but no, it's a play park. Yes, a play park. That's quite unbelievable. Because, like, yeah. It used to be a natural play park. I actually played there one time, and now it. And no one's allowed there because there's no one there.